10 classic cars, all under $3,000. Some run, some barely survive, but every single one has potential. Let's see which project is actually worth it. Number 1. 1977 Corvette Stingray T-Top, $2,800, Cumming, Georgia. This C3 Corvette is listed as a non-driving project that will need to be towed. It has a GM Goodwrench 350 with good compression, a Holley Carb TH350 automatic, newer battery, and new belts. The fiberglass body is intact with no major cracks, which is a big plus on these cars. Here's the reality. It only starts with starting fluid, doesn't drive, and has no title, just a bill of sale under Georgia's pre-1985 rule. At $2,800, you're paying for drivetrain value and C3 potential, not something road-ready. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet 1500 Short Bed, $2,300, Convoy, Ohio. This orange square body runs and drives, but it's missing on 3 cylinders. The seller already replaced the rockers, cab corners, floorboards, and kick panels. It also includes rust-free fenders, hood, and a passenger door. Here's the catch. It needs interior work, windows, and door components, and that engine miss could be minor or something deeper. At $2,300, it's a solid foundation, but still very much a project. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Spitfire IV, $1,200, Bad Axe, Michigan. This black Spitfire runs and drives and has already seen some recent work. It has a new top, upgraded 12-volt system, working brakes, new heater box, radiator, and 2 new tires. The VIN inspection has been cleared, but it still needs clutch service, rear brake lines finished, and body and floor panel work. At $1,200, it's a hands-on restoration, small, simple, and mechanical. Number 4. 1974 Ford F350 XL Cabin Chassis, $1,500, Upland, Indiana. This heavy-duty work truck has a 360 FE, 4-speed granny low, and Dana 70 rear end. It will start and can be driven onto a trailer. The PTO and dump bed work. It has 6 newer tires and updated wiring with a 1-wire alternator. Here's the problem. The engine is knocking hard and the clutch is worn out. It absolutely needs to be towed. At $1,500, you're paying tires, parts, and a serious rebuild candidate. Number 5. 1976 Dodge Aspen RT, $850, Parkersburg, West Virginia. This factory 318 V8 Aspen is complete and turns over. It will fire with fuel poured into the carb. The rear frame rails are solid and the floor pans are decent. That's the good news. The bad? Front frame rails are rusted out, hood hinge area is rusted, doors are stuck, and the windshield is broken. No title, bill of sale only. At $850, this is either a deep restoration challenge or a very valuable parts car.
Number 6. 1976 Chevrolet Nova, $2,000, Clinton, Tennessee. This 76 Nova is listed as complete and available for sale or trade. Details are minimal, but it appears to be an automatic car with blue exterior and gray interior. The seller doesn't mention major mechanical issues, just that it's complete. Here's the reality. When a listing is this short, it usually means you need to inspect it carefully. Complete doesn't always mean solid, especially on mid-70s GM compacts known for rust. At $2,000, this could be a simple revival project, or something hiding expensive surprises. Number 7. 1964 Ford 500 two-door hardtop, $1,950, Rome, Georgia. This black over red two-door hardtop has strong classic appeal. It's an automatic car and reportedly paid off, but it needs bodywork, floor pans, paint, and the seats redone. Here's the reality. Full-size early 60s Fords are big, heavy cars. Floor pan and bodywork can quickly add up in cost and time. At $1,950, you're buying style and potential, not a finished cruiser. Number 8. 1979 Triumph Spitfire, $600, Corey, Indiana. This red Spitfire is listed at just $600 with a clean title. The seller says everything is there and was told it would run with a distributor. The body is in decent shape, but the floor pans need replacing. Here's the catch. It doesn't currently run, and British roadsters are simple, but parts and rest repair still take time. At $600, this is entry-level project territory. Number 9. 1949 Plymouth Deluxe, $1,000, Farmington, West Virginia. This all-original post-war sedan has been stored in a garage since 1971. It has a flathead 6-cylinder with a 3-speed manual. The motor turns freely, the body is described as solid, and the chrome and glass are very good. Here's the reality. It hasn't been on the road in over 50 years. Even if the engine turns, every system will need attention. At $1,000, this is a true time capsule, but also a full recommissioning project. Number 10. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 short bed, $1,500, Aiken, South Carolina. This blue short bed two-way Silverado is listed as running with a battery and gas. The seller has the keys and a title, which is a big plus compared to some others on this list. Here's the reality. Will run with a battery and gas usually means it hasn't been actively driven. Expect fuel system work and general sorting. At $1,500, it's one of the more promising driver-based projects, if it checks out in person. So which one would you take home? The cheap Corvette or the $1,000 time capsule? Comment your pick below, and I'll see you in the next one.